Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So are you looking for a simple yet powerful CRM to boost your sales? Today we are reviewing Pipedrive CRM. Is it the right choice for your business? Let's find out. So Pipedrive is a built for simplicity and drag and drop interface make it more manageable leading effortless. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or a sales team, setting up pipelines is a breeze, but if you need deep automation, other CRMs might offer more. So pipe drives let you customize deal stages, reports, and workflows. You also got email integrations, call tracking, and AI-powered sales tips. However, it lacks some advanced marketing automation which are found in tools like HubSpot. So Pipedrive focuses on sales, growth, offering lead tracking, performances, insights, and whatnot. While it's great for sales-driven teams, businesses needing customer support and features, it might find some lacking. So the basic plan starts at $14.9 per month, making it affordable for small businesses. Higher tiers offer more automation and integrations, but there is no free plan. There's only a 14-day free trial, which you get while you sign up in on here by clicking on the Try It Free button. So if you're on tight budget, you might consider Zoho CRM or HubSpot free plan because that's more reasonable. So my final verdict is if you need a simple, sales-focused CRM that's easy to use, Pipedrive is a great choice. But if you need more advanced automation or customer support tools, you may want to explore other options. And with that, I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.